Charming cottage gardens and peaceful porches with calming tunes. Gardens of Mackinac Island. Exploring charming cottage gardens and peaceful porches enhanced by calming tunes on Mackinac Island is like stepping into a world where time slows down and nature's splendor takes center stage. Mackinac Island, nestled in Lake Huron between Michigan's upper and lower peninsulas, is renowned for its Victorian charm and vehicular restrictions, enforcing a slower pace of life that perfectly complements its natural beauty. The island's gardens are a testament to meticulous care and the art of landscaping, offering a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility and inspiration. Cottage gardens on Mackinac Island exhibit a delightful fusion of structured design and wild beauty, embodying an aesthetic that feels both nostalgic and enchanting. These gardens are characterized by a mix of perennials, annuals, and biennials, showcasing a riot of colors and textures. The interplay of vibrant blossoms with lush foliage creates a harmonious balance that appeals to both the eyes and the soul. Garden paths meander through beds bursting with hollyhocks, foxgloves, and delphiniums, while aromatic herbs such as lavender and rosemary inject the air with soothing fragrances. The island's unique climate, influenced by its Great Lakes surroundings, allows for a diverse array of flora. Spring and summer witness a spectacular bloom of lilacs, peonies, and hydrangeas, transforming the gardens into a fragrant paradise. These gardens, designed to be ever-changing tapestries, provide different sensory delights through their blooming cycles. The gardeners of Mackinac have mastered the art of succession planting, ensuring that as one plant fades, another steps into the spotlight, maintaining a continuous display of natural artistry. Peaceful porches on Mackinac Island complement these charming gardens, offering a perfect vantage point to soak in the beauty. Many historic homes and accommodations boast expansive porches adorned with wicker furniture and cozy cushions, inviting visitors to unwind and absorb the tranquil surroundings. The porches serve as extensions of the garden spaces, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor magnificence. They are havens for reflection, leisurely conversations, or simply enjoying a good book while sipping on a cup of tea.
Tân melody si upcoming tune often accompanied season setting, enhancing the overall sensory exhibition.
Soft instrumental music or nature-inspired sounds, such as the gentle rustling of leaves or distant bird calls, blend seamlessly with the landscape, adding an auditory layer of relaxation. This synergy of sight and sound creates a meditative ambience that encourages mindfulness and a deep connection with nature. The tunes not only serve as a backdrop, but also as a subtle guide to mindfulness, allowing visitors to tune out the hustle and bustle of daily life and focus on the simple joys of the present moment. In addition to the visual and auditory delights, the island's gardens often host small cultural and community events, bringing people together to celebrate this unique environment. Activities like garden walks, floral workshops, and musical performances provide opportunities to engage with both the gardens and their caretakers, learning from those who pour their hearts into maintaining this magical landscape. Seasonal events, such as lilac festivals, draw visitors from near and far to witness the island's flora at the height of its splendor. For gardeners and nature enthusiasts, Mackinac Island offers endless inspiration. Its gardens are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also echo the island's commitment to sustainable practices and conservation. Many gardens incorporate native plant species, promoting biodiversity and supporting the local ecosystem. By prioritizing organic methods and reducing chemical inputs, the gardeners ensure that these spaces remain healthy and vibrant for future generations to enjoy. In essence, Mackinac Island's charming cottage gardens and peaceful porches, accented by calming tunes, provide a retreat that nurtures the body, mind, and spirit. They invite visitors into a world of natural beauty where the simple pleasures of life are celebrated and cherished. Whether strolling through the colorful blooms, relaxing on a sun-drenched porch, or allowing the gentle music to wash over you, the experience offers rejuvenation, making every moment spent on Mackinac Island a cherished memory. For those who seek solace in nature's embrace, these gardens offer a perfect escape, capturing the timeless elegance of a bygone era while embracing the tranquility of the present.